In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple, super fast way to create lesson plans. If you've ever felt like lesson planning takes forever, you are going to love EdCafe AI. I recently tried something new. I turned my YouTube video, 5 contemporary Hispanic artists you need to know, into 5 ready-to-use lesson plans. And honestly, with EdCafe AI, it was way easier than I expected. It can be used for any subject, any level, and you can use EdCafe AI for free. Let me show you exactly how I did it. First, head over to edcafe.ai. The interface is very simple. You don't need a lot of tech experience, and you can get started for free. Click Get Started Now. You can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or your email, fill out the info to create your EdCafe AI account, and click Next. Then fill in your profession and how you heard about EdCafe AI, probably through me, an EdCafe AI user. Look at this dashboard. It's very calming. Here's your starting page. You can click through the carousel to see all of the features, such as making a slide deck, creating a chatbot for your students to interact with, making a quiz, all things that EdCafe AI will do faster than you can finish your cup of coffee. And again, these features are free. You can click this button to watch a short video showing the features. You can click here to see everything that is offered. The features with the flame next to them are the latest additions to the platform. The one that we're going to look at in this video is the lesson plan, which you can also get to from your home screen by clicking on Create New. It's the same pop-up screen. Clicking on Lesson Plan brings you to this page. To demo, I'll type in the topic of one of the lessons I created based on my YouTube video, and that is Papel Picado and Geometry. Next, I'll add additional instructions, which is optional, and I've already copied these, so I'll just paste it here. I want a lesson that focuses on symmetry and repetition, highlights a specific Papel Picado designer named Karina Puente, and I want it to guide students to create their own artwork. Clicking Search Google for lesson resources is a fantastic feature, which I'll show you in a minute, but know that any features that have a crown next to them are available with an upgraded account. You can add learning standards here and change the language here. Click Generate Lesson Plan and watch AI do its thing. It creates the learning objectives, vocab, essential questions, lesson procedures, differentiated activities, assessment, reflections, and even homework. It's like having a co-teacher who never sleeps. It's truly amazing. If you need to make changes, you can just click into the text. You can adjust wording, you can swap examples, etc. Quick tweaks to make it feel like it's totally yours. Up here are more editing tools, including adding a link or image. And you can click the back button to come back to the original lesson info. You can create the lesson by pasting your source text here, say a paragraph from a website that you'd like EdCafe AI to use to create your lesson. You can also paste in a link to a web page, even YouTube videos. And with the upgraded account, you can upload a document or image. Of course, you can make changes to your instruction, like I'll add in that I want students to do something specific for homework, and then I'll click Generate Lesson Plan again. It will keep most everything the same, just adding in that additional homework prompt. However, because I didn't click Save, it didn't save the changes that I had made to the text. So I'll click Save Now and give the lesson a name, select a folder for it to be stored in, and make it public for others to see. On your home page, you can click My Library to see your saved lesson plan. EdCafe AI has this built-in library that keeps all of your files organized and accessible in one place. No more digging through folders. Click the 3 dots to the right of your file for more options like Share. You can send this to other teachers, and they can clone and adapt the resource instantly for their own classrooms. With an upgraded account, you can export the lesson plan file. And you, of course, have the option to edit the lesson plan along with translate it, rename it, etc. Once you have your finished lesson plan, you can use other EdCafe AI features like the slide deck generator to quickly create a supporting deck for this lesson. This is perfect for teachers who want ready-to-teach materials. Back on your homepage, you'll see that it has changed. Now when you log in, it will automatically show your resources for quick access and less clicking around. I wanted to show you what it looks like to use some of the upgraded features with a premium account. I created a similar lesson and asked EdCafe AI to search Google for lesson resources. When it generated the lesson, it included links to relevant websites, directly embedded videos, and even added worksheets to my lesson plan. To remind you, I used this video, 5 contemporary Hispanic artists you need to know, and I had EdCafe AI create 5 full lesson plans with cross-curricular connections, and it took about a total of 30 minutes. Each plan highlights a different artist, includes everything I need for a full lesson, and even has creative activities for students. This is classroom ready, and it took minutes. And now I can use EdCafe AI to further my students' learning by using these lessons as the basis for a slide deck, flashcards, summary notes, quizzes, even an assignment grader. This is perfect for teachers who want that ready-to-teach materials without spending the hours making those slides. So just to show you the difference between a free account versus the pro and premium account, with a free account, you get most of the core tools to create the lessons, quizzes, chatbots, etc. Upgrade to a premium account and unlock unlimited possibilities, more custom chatbots, higher usage limits, and advanced features that make lesson planning faster, easier, even more powerful. So if you're a teacher who wants to save time, EdCafe AI will do the work for you. You definitely need to add EdCafe AI to your teacher toolkit.